Hi, my name is Saptarshi Ghosh and I'm a senior lecturer of physics in Chaitanya Institute, Pune. I've been in this teaching field for the past 7 years and I have taught in almost all the premier institutes of this country. I've taught and mentored for over 5,000 students who are either pursuing their careers or have passed out from the premier NITs, IITs and AIIMS of this country. Through this vast experience, I know exactly how boring, mundane and tough this subject can get, if not taught in the proper way. I believe that physics is best learned through nature and through killer visualization of each and every topic that we study. My teaching ensures that you get a proper history of events behind each and every topic that we are going to learn. My ultimate aim is to give you a proper balance of theoretical, numerical and practical knowledge so that you can bring out the little Einstein within you. I'm super excited and I cannot wait to teach you so that you can excel in your exams.